Huzur, after the fall of Kabul, so many Taliban and many civilians, they left their earnings of life. Many people. So, what is the Islamic teaching about those property? How those properties should be dealt with? Or
those who have not run away from Kabul, the present regimes are taking care of them, and they are giving them aid and food, etc., and finding some alternative occupations for them. But some of the extremist ones, the leaders among them, are told to have run away to mountains. Doesn't it be done for them? They must have taken some food with them, and the rest they will perhaps send their emissaries here and there quietly to get some food. Otherwise, there is no shortage of money with them. There are millions of dollars and they can buy food by themselves, but quietly.